Hello students, so this is our next video. It is picking cue card. Describe something that surprised you and made you happy. Questions are what it was, who did this, how you find out about it and what you did, why it surprised you and made you happy. Ideas. Well, everyone likes surprises, and there have been several things in my life that really amazed me and gave me pleasure. So today I would like to share one such experience which really astonished me, means shocked me or surprised me, and that was unbelievable for me, which I never imagined. Actually, my parents gifted me a laptop on my 25th birthday and never thought about that because one day I requested to my father for a laptop, then he denied to my request. It was around some months ago when Amazon was providing a big discount on electronic commodities and some of my friends were doing shopping from there. That's why I also wanted to buy a laptop as it would be beneficial for me in my studies as well as for saving personal data of my phone. But at that time my father refused. Moreover, after 2 months, my father organized a great party to celebrate my birthday. All of my peers, means friends and relatives, were invited at home and I was so elated on that day. After 7 p.m. when I cut the cake in the evening, everyone gave me presents, means gifts, and at last my father gifted me a big red box and said to open it immediately. When I opened the box, it was a new laptop, which I already wanted. To be honest, it was like a dream come true and I had tears in my eyes. I just tightly hugged to my father and said thanks a lot to him. It was one of the best gifts of my birthday, which I didn't imagine. I still have that laptop, which is really helpful for me. Even whenever I go out station for some days, I always carry with me. So that was a thing which shocked me and made my day happy. So I hope you will definitely like this idea and this cue card. So please go through other cue card also. And if you want any cue card video, then please do comment in comment section. I will make that one. Thank you.